Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through a full step-by-step process on how to allow everyone to create a group and a community on WhatsApp. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the phone icon with a green and white background. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download WhatsApp. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. In the chat section, you'll notice a small option on the left side with a stacked multiple profiles icon. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Now tap on the community you're currently in. This will take you to the community's main page. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu until you reach Community Settings. Tap on it to access the settings for the community. Step 7. Within the community settings, you'll find various options. Look for Who Can Add Groups and tap on it. Step 8. From the options presented, select Everyone. This will allow all members of the community to create groups. That's it. You have successfully enabled everyone in the community to create a group on WhatsApp. Now, every member can enjoy the freedom to create and manage their own groups seamlessly. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the community admins for assistance. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching and happy WhatsApping.